Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tech Stack channel. So today we'll try to learn how we can pass these parameters from one automation to another automation. So before that we are doing that, we need the two automations. So I will go here and I will add this one more automation. Just come here. This search icon is in a folder with search icon. Open project content. So that we call this open project content. Just click on this. After this, you can click the plus icon. Under this, we can say create. So after that, you can give this. Click on the automation. You can take multiple things, but we'll go with automation. Rest of the things we'll learn going forward. Okay, just click on this automation, and this one I will make it as second automation. Okay, so just click on that create. It got created. So it got, if you want activate, if it is not activated, just click here. It will automatically enable and it got activated. So now what I'm doing now, so I need to I will give the some variables here. So those variable outputs I will print it here. Okay, in first automation I will create the variables and I print out in the second automation. So this is the task which we are right now going to that. Okay, already we created the one variable which you call text stack. So this I will print in there. Okay, just I am removing these locks. And I will remove these things as well. Okay, now it's got done. Go to the second automation and you can see these inputs. So click on this input. Okay, and I have this name. Okay, just this add this one input. Why it's got error? Name receives what you cannot prefix. Okay, just I take and give this name. Okay, now this is done. Just click on that save. So after this, just you can integrate it that automation here. So then only it will work. Go to here and add this second automation. Okay, once you added this, you can see this input parameters. So here, which I want to pass, I want to pass this variable. Okay, so go to this here and you can add. So once you add here, you can able to see this name. So why it's highlighting only the name? Because it's have the string. When I go and check here, I will give this input description as string. So if I change here number, okay, once you change that only it will got reflect. If you not change, it will won't get reflect. Okay, now go to here. So previously it taken as this string. Now it taken as a mobile number. So like that we need to vice versa. So anyway, this is name now. So if you select any, for example, right now if I select any, so this might be will take any kind of data it will process. So just we'll go and check here. So whether it's able to do that or not. So if you check here any, so if you pass this any, it can store, might be the variable, might be the integer, everything it will be stored. So in this case, we know what is the things what we declare. So that's why I will go and take here in string. Okay, similar way I will create one more variable as well. So just add input parameters here, and this is in number. Okay, the reserved words are not allowed. Okay, why it's saying means number means when you go and I will show you here. When I go tool here, we can see this number. This is which all has the reserve words. So if we give those things, it will won't work. So make sure that while declaring that, I will give here mobile number. So it looks good and change this type as this number. So here integer, those things are available, but here when you come to SAP, slightly it got changes terminology words. So number. Okay, done. Just click on that save. Okay, now go back to the first automation and give this which variables if you want. You can just go and declare this. So this is for the name. You can select this name, and these are the mobile number. Okay, these two parameters which I given to this second automation. Okay, now move to the second automation completely, and we need to display these outputs. Go to click on the tools and type for this log message. So here we won't get any pop-up message. Let me check. Pop-up is available. Log message is available. Pop-up message box, it's not there. I not check this message. Okay, log message only is there. So we'll use this one. Okay, now go to this here. And if you might get one doubt, so I don't have any declaration here how I can get this step 1, step 2, and so on. So when you go here, just elaborate this and click on this variables, it has step 0. So why? Because it got step 0 means because it's coming from some other automation. When you click here, you can see this as step 0. Okay, this is a name. I will give here some different name. I will make it as username plus, just for some kind of purpose, so I'm using this username plus, after this I need some space again, plus mobile number. You can take this, and here I will make it as mobile. Okay, now that my text has been done, just click on that save and go to this first automation and run this one. Okay, just click on this play button, it will run automatically. So it got config every time it got deployed, and now we can see this. So it got display message. So you get to you might get to know whether it's correct or not. So just click on this when you check the logs here, first automation, this is the first automation and this is the second automation. So just click on that second automation and we can see these logs, and you can see this when it got run, I mean whether it got run or having some errors. You can see this one. So it got right now you can see this it's a green color. So when you got green color, it's completely run, there is no issues with that. If you got some red color, and automatically it will stop, it will end from this automation. So these kind of simple things we have to make sure, I mean you have to remember. So now I hope you got how you can pass these variables from one to another thing. And if you want to pass the automations from here, you can just pass this you can just go to output and create this output parameters. Under this output parameters, I will make it as last name. Okay, just only one thing I will declare here, last name. Okay, after this go to the tools and we need to create one variable. Okay, so just go to data types, close this all things, go to data types and just declare this string and this value. So value is last name, I think I gave in that, so just update this last name. Okay, and go to this uh, click on this outside of this canva, I mean outside of this activities, and go to inputs and you can see this last name. Okay, which I have declared, but here I want to pass this. Okay, yeah. So when you go and check here, you will don't get anything when you see here input output. So we declare this output parameters, but if you want to pass this, click on this end option. So at the end, if you have this variable, and you can pass this variable as my variable. Okay, in this my variable we have this last name. Just save it. Okay, and go back to the first automation. It might be slightly confusion. Try from your end 2 to 3 times, it will get no issues. Okay, now it got this last name. Okay, just take this log message again and just drag and drop and give this as step 3 dot, because I'm getting the data from step 3. Okay, now we'll run end to end and we'll see the both the things, input parameters and output parameters. Just click on the test. Okay, every time okay, now you can see this. So from where you got these logs, where you can see these things, this is the one automation one, I mean process automation, first automation, and this is the second automation. You can click on this, it will navigate to the respective places and you will get to know where it got, what the things are happening here. So this is the way how we can declare the input and output parameters. So try from your end, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.